Hey Matt, here with 911R. I want to do a walk around and talk about this '04 anniversary special edition Carrera. These were really special cars. They have different interiors. They're numbered. They have plaques on them. Bunch of little details. So let's just kind of walk around the car and talk about it. This car has got the better electronic headlights. The car originally had paint protection film on it. It was probably installed when the car was new. We took it off the front bumper and had it redone, so it looks really nice and clean now. Also, it had paint protection film on the rear quarters that we stripped off because it was all yellowed like they do, so it looks a lot better. This car has been, I would say, over-maintained. It's had two IMS bearings in it, put in it. It had one, in the documentation you can see. Then it had another one that was 10 years later. You're supposed to replace them every 10 years, so there's no issues with them. When they did the clutch and stuff, the first time they had put a single mass flywheel in it. When they did it the second time, they put the very expensive Porsche dual mass flywheel. Sorry, stumble on words there. But again, going through this car, you can see, it's got beautiful interior. The paint matched center console in it. You got perforation on the steering wheel. You got the plaque down by the shifter. This car also has a short shifter, and it shifts spotlessly. It's great. It was really a joy driving in the video. Coming back around the back, you can see it's got the 911 badge here with the anniversary logo here. These cars, had the better power kit in them. Also, it's been added with an IPD plenum here. This is probably one of the best mods on a 996. If you have a 996, and highly suggest the IPD plenum. It really wakes them up, gives a lot more throttle response. It's well worth the money. Like I said, I've done lots of mods on these cars. I used to have one back in the day, and it was one of the few things I did, and it really made a big difference. But come around, you can just see how nice this car is. The paint is spot on. The wheels, got great Continental tires on it. Just no issues or questions. If you're looking to match out an anniversary car collection, this is the one to get. And only 50,000 miles. Any questions? Let us know. Happy to help out. Thank you very much.